So welcome back to my channel, my dear lovely viewers. As you all know, I'm always happy to bring in very paying updates for you guys. And one of the updates I just got right now is actually more about card arbitrage, and it's also a trading platform. So this platform supports like three of our Nigerian cards, which you can use to top up your wallet with those Nigerian cards, which I will not be mentioning their names here, which you all know the reason why I won't be doing so. So if you're here to join my Telegram group, you can see I'll still drop the link to the Telegram group in the video description section. But for the purpose of this tutorial, what I will be running right now is how to set up this wallet and how to run your KYC, because the KYC has been difficult and it has been on and off. Yeah, I just decided to run this video immediately I noticed the KYC for the platform is back up. So and now the problem is I need you guys to always turn on notification. Subscribe, then turn on, so that once such kind of updates come, you'll be able to see this notification immediately. So now we don't know, they might still close the KYC and we don't know when they will come back up. So that's the issue here. So that's the advantage of turning on notification. So and don't always see notification and say you watch later. At least just know what it's about first. Then you can think of watching the rest later. So that's just my advice for you guys. So this is the platform we'll be using. There's app the Fluge, the CH. So now what you need to do as a new person that is trying to set up this wallet, you need a referral link, which I will drop in the video description section. So the referral link is what you copy, paste in your browser, come here, click on sign up, just fill in your informations. Once you're done, then you verify your email, then you come to login. So once you come to login here, just click on login, you put your details, email and password. I just decided to blur it for some reasons like that. So once you blur it, once you input your email and you log on, you sign into account. This is how it will look like. This is your account. There is savings. You can see connect to wallet. It means it's a crypto wallet which you can use to trade actually. So we will be using it to run arbitrage. So now here, this is how the wallet will look like. So you can see that you can't even find where there is anything like KYC or so. So you can see there's nowhere to find KYC. So now the next thing I'll be showing you guys is how to run the KYC. So here, this is what I will drop the KYC, the link to the KYC also in the video description section, which is this, which will be the second link I'll be dropping in the particular site, in the video description section. So here, type in your country. After opening the link, type in your country, select country, then continue. Then you now input your addresses. So after inputting, what you do, you can see I just had to blur it. This will be your address option. This one is optional. If you have two addresses, then you have your state, you have your local government, then you have your country of address, you have your, what is it called, postal code. Then here you need proof of address. What would you be using as proof of your address? You can use utility bill, credit card statement, bank statement, tax document, proof of registration and so on, letter of regular. I prefer bank statements. So now I'll be using bank statement. Then the next thing I'll do, I'll submit my data. So as you can see, submit my data. So now the next thing I will need to do is to submit verification. That's ID verification. Now I'll start my verification. Start verification. So as you can see, scan the QR code with your camera. That's if you're using a whatever document you're using, if it comes with a QR code. But I'm not using such kind of document. So okay, sorry. This is just to verify you that you're human or something. So now you can just scan this code, or you can just request for SMS. So I think I'll choose this. Just request for SMS. Next, check my mobile phone. My phone is right here with me. I'm here to receive it. It's here to come. Let me just pause the video to avoid wasting much time. So after this was the what is it called? The link that was sent to my that was sent to me as text message. So after opening the link via this browser, this is what came up. Connected to your device. This window open. Keep this window open while using your mobile. Meanwhile, I'm actually not using my mobile. So they said they are verifying me. I think I should have used my mobile, but let's see if the PC will work. If it doesn't work, then I'll try again with my mobile phone instead. But what I'll do is I'll just close this. Let me just be patient with it. If it doesn't work, then I'll have to use my mobile phone. So this is how it's kept rolling. But right here on my mobile phone, it has already taken me to where I will input my ID card, which it's clearly stated that national identification number slip, which is NIN slip, is not accepted. So you should get ready, look for a voter's card, driver's license, or most importantly, I think it's better you just get an international passport. So you can see after submitting the verification on my phone and also submitting all the documents necessary. What I did for bank statements was I just requested for bank statement from my mobile app. That's my bank mobile app. Then after requesting, you can make sure any address you're using is the same address you have on your bank statement, so that once there is discrepancy, once there is difference between the two, they won't approve your KYC. So currently, they are already working on mine. They say your verification data has been successfully submitted. You can now close this window and return to your computer. So now it means I can only do the verification on mobile. It doesn't really work with PC. That's why. So now, as you can see, so all I'll just do is to just wait for them to confirm. Sorry, I think my data got disconnected here. So what I just need is just to wait for them to verify my account. So once the verification is over, then I'll make the video on how to run the cards on this platform. So once we run the cards on the platform, you now see how you will keep moving from Arbitrum to MEXC, then to Binance. Make sure you get your MEXC ready as well, because you will need MEXC wallet for this exchange. I'll also drop the link to, because please and please and please make sure you click on the referral link I drop for MEXC as well, because on Play Store there was a time one of our guys downloaded a very fake MEXC wallet. Please make sure you click the one, so that it means you're downloading the original one. So don't go to Play Store because you don't want to use referral link, then you end up downloading a scam wallet. Please just take note of it. It is very, very, very important. So now, as you can see, all we are waiting for is just our KYC. So now, the thing is, for us to even know if the KYC is ready, let me just open the link once again to see what it will be showing. So you can see now, after showing it, it said your KYC is being processed right now and you will be notified as soon as it's complete. So possibly you will just need to be watching our Gmail, our mail account, whichever mail you use, to confirm if verification has been approved. So you can see for mine now, KYC is pending. So I'm just hoping they approve the KYC. Once they approve, I'll drop the procedure on how to run the cards and how to move the funds from one wallet to the other. Thank you very much for watching the video. make sure you turn on notifications so that